Hello YouTube, welcome to my garage. Well, it is officially winter, so we are going to talk about what I got in store for this winter as far as project goes. I've been gathering parts all year, but since I've been enjoying the car, I don't try to do anything, work on it in the winter. I don't daily drive this car, so that means in the winter I also don't drive it. In the past previous years, you guys see that I have done larger projects during the winter month. So let's go into what we got for this year. So the first thing I got was a remote rear oil cooler kit. This is made by BOE. It comes with the I got the left side one. As you guys can remember, if you have watched my BOE clam tilt kit, rear clam kit, on the right side, looking forward, like you're in the passenger. On the passenger side, I got the evap canister and all that. So this has got to go on the driver side. So this kit comes with all the bracket, the Cetrab. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Oil cooler, hoses, all the relays and wiring, more wiring, some mounts, some connectors, and it also came with the oil cooler connections to I think this is a dash 20 or dash 10 to 5/8 BSP. This would be appropriate if you're still running the factory oil cooler. This is, I believe, 5/8 BSP to 5/8, so you would need this to convert it 5/8 to dash 10. However, since we got a thermostatic oil sandwich plate, I had to go get some Mishimoto connections. So we're gonna do that job. During the process, we're also gonna have to drop the oil pan again. So I believe there is when I put my dipstick in, it kind of hits, I think they call it like the little tray inside. I've seen some people have this issue with some oil pans. And it might have to do with if you have a supercharged car, your dipstick has a different routing and all that. So anyways, when I push my dipstick in, sometimes it kind of catches on things, and it's been kind of hard to check the oil level. So I think once we drop the oil pan, we're gonna check to see if there's any like markings where the dipstick hits it. Then we'll know for sure. But I'll need some fresh sealant RTV to go with that. Next on the list is a remote mount overflow tank. So I got this off Greg's Racing Parts. It was on clearance. And it is the one that is not in the stock location, so it moves it closer to the firewall. I think I have to, as soon as I mount this, I'm gonna have to do something with my washer bottle, which means I might need some room up in that area. So went ahead and got this. This kit says it's for an 06 and up. For some reason, 05, they say it doesn't fit on Radium's website. And so this kit's 06 to 2011. However, when I read the instructions, it just basically says for 05, I think you have to like move it over slightly. So we're gonna dig into that. Also, it doesn't come with a cap, so I got a factory cap there. So we'll be digging into that. I always like Radium parts. They always look really cool, and so far, nothing's ever leaked, or they all seem to work. I've had this on multiple cars. As far as catch cans, and have you guys seen the video for this channel? We have installed a catch can for this vehicle, and also I have not had any problems. But I've had this on an S2000, Evo, all have Radium Engineering parts. So I think I had some stuff on my other cars as well a long time ago. I don't remember, but so that's going on. The next thing we're gonna look at is the brakes. So I gotta utilize some Black Friday deals. Got EBC rotors. I don't know what I'm gonna post what these rotors are called. I decided not to go with the drilled or the dimpled one. EBC red, red pads front and back. I think this is appropriate with what I will do. Some maybe a track day here or two, but overall it's mainly street driving. Also got some new stainless lines. This one's from Monkey Wrench Racing. So I got that. I believe the brakes I have on this car are original to the car. I don't have any issues with them, but like this one has some scoring grooves. The other one also has some grooves. And this car is like 40-something thousand, 45,000 miles. And I believe these are original. The rears look fine, and if you, but there is a little bit of a lip forming. So gonna go ahead and get everything and bleed them as well. So that's my one project. Also, while I think I'm gonna do this kind of towards the end, button up everything, and as far as the engine compartment goes, and then work on this. And then I kind of got a maybe pile. So this is I purchased some stuff from the UK, and the shipping was high, so I kind of added some parts that I might need. These are lift points reinforcement kits. I got some tow hooks. I think I might have bought like a rear. There's 2 rears and 1 front. This is a steering wheel spacer to move it closer to yourself. I'm gonna check whether I really need this or not, or where my hand positions are. And then some stickers to I think all my old ones are kind of peeled off. So I put this as a maybe pile. Oh, so one thing is you see, if you guys watch my clam tilt operation, I do want to figure out the driver side to get them even. So I got 1 strut and 1 bracket to install. Right now I only have it on the passenger side. So I put this on a maybe pile because you know, I might not get to these. Also, I got a Monkey Wrench Racing jack point kit, which I think will be better than this. So I don't think I need to install both. That kind of I'll post a picture, but it goes up in the frame, and I think will serve as a better jacking point. Although this doesn't weigh a lot, so I might add this to give myself some extra points. And then last but not least, I'm not gonna reveal this. I'm gonna back up a little bit, but we got a mystery component. I just got this in, so I'm going to do this at the end. Gonna unbox it and then install it at the end. So if you guys have any guess what that might be, you know, go ahead and comment, and I won't reveal it, but when it gets revealed, I'll maybe say who got it right. But yeah, that part came from overseas, and it is somewhat uncommon, somewhat rare. I see some people have him, but I don't think it's got a really good deal on it. So I am excited to unveil that. But anyways, that is kind of what I got going on this winter. As far as projects, I'm sure there might be a thing or two that pop up when I start taking this apart, and but this is at least what I got planned. Anyways, just want to make a quick video to talk y'all through that. But thank you everybody for watching, and check back for me actually putting in these parts.